I've always been baking with my mom ever since I was like a little girl, and since then I've just been like baking nonstop. My name is Caroline. I'm the owner of Sweets by Caroline. I specialize in macarons, cakes, wedding cakes, personal party cakes, cupcakes, cake pops, brownies, and stuff like that. I went into Montgomery College as an accounting and like finance major, and then I took my first accounting class and I was like, this is like not for me. I was really stressed at that time, so like I would just bake. And I just fell in love with baking, and then I was like, why don't I just turn my passion into a business? Raptor Tank is kind of like Shark Tank. So it was like a business pitch competition at Montgomery College, and then I kind of won. It was kind of like a sign I should just keep going. When I was like at community college, I had like everything at home. Just moving everything from home, like my home kitchen to here, was really hard. But I also found that like balancing school and then like finding time to bake was hard, but it also taught me like time management to like plan throughout the week before like the order. I feel like every like cake or like order that I have is kind of like the best experience. Like seeing someone seeing that, like when they see their cake, or like when they cut it open, or like when they eat the macaron or something, like just the experience of like seeing them enjoy it like is like the best experience for me. Yeah. Throughout the next 2 years, I do plan to like just keep going and like building from there, and like hopefully do like little pop-up events around campus or just like off campus. Right now I'm doing like school and like baking. Like after like I graduate, I can focus on it like full time and hopefully like open my own business, my own bakery. Something that someone told me that like really stuck with me is that if you're really passionate about something and like you keep going at it and like being persistent, then like everything will slowly fall into place.